You got 10 minutes? I really want you to try out this 10-minute non-stop cardio workout before your Thanksgiving meal, or any meal in particular, but it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. On this day, I like to reflect and I want to be thankful that I have food to eat, air to breathe, clean water to drink, and I have a warm place or a cool place in the summer to sleep. Sometimes it's best to just reflect and be thankful for the basic necessities that we have in life. Because oftentimes we get caught up, we're anxious or we're depressed about things aren't going right in our life, but a lot of times we just gotta be thankful for what we already have. And I don't have everything I want on this earth, but I'm working towards it and I'm trying to achieve some of those goals. But especially on this day, just reflect and be thankful for what you have. Some of us, we may not have the flashy cars or the fancy lifestyles or all that stuff, but you know what, that's irrelevant. It's not always important to have those material things. Sometimes what you have close to you, your friends, your family, your own body, we gotta take care of that. So I don't wanna waste too much more of your time. Click the link down in the description if you wanna go ahead and skip straight to the workout. But I wanted to share with you this awesome workout. It's something that I like to do, that if I'm gonna have a big meal, I wanna burn a bunch of calories. So I'm gonna cram it all in. So this is a 10-minute non-stop cardio workout that you can do before your Thanksgiving meal today, or for any meal in particular. But it's 10 minutes, it's non-stop. We got 5 moves. Each move is 1 minute long. After we finish those 5 moves, we're just gonna repeat everything again. So for the first 5 minutes, we're gonna have a little bit of commentary. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna guide you along, and then the last 5 minutes, we're just gonna crank up the music and we're gonna get right to it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get our water bottles, let's get hydrated, and let's smash today's workout. All right, so we're gonna get 15 seconds on the clock. Grab a little water. Let's get hydrated as always. We're gonna get rolling. So, first move, we have break dancers. We're gonna get in this bear crawl, kind of plank position, and we got on our hands and our feet. We're gonna kick side to side. So I got opposite hand to opposite foot. If you're having a hard time with this, you might just stay here and just give a little kick, right? This might even be challenging, but as you're a little bit better, just rotate opposite hand and foot, and you're just gonna go side to side and then kick. We can also go a little bit quicker, give a little pop in our foot and our step, but generally this is plenty. And when you're first starting out, it's not too bad, but I promise you, doing this non-stop, you're gonna feel the cardio benefits from this. And in our second round through of this 1 minute round of these break dancers, you're definitely gonna feel it. So first 5 minutes, we're kind of getting going. When I do the second 5 minutes, I'm gonna amp things up a little bit. But this is a good move. As I'm kicking, I'm just loosening up the back of my legs and my hamstrings, on my hands, getting my shoulders, getting my abs worked here. All right, going in right into the next move, sumo plow, drop squats. This is a calorie burner. This is one of my all-time favorite moves. Point my toes out, because it really gets the inner thighs a little bit, works the glutes, my abs. It's one of my favorite cardio drills of all time, because you're really working the legs, and it's a lot on them, especially as much as I go snowboarding. I'm in that exact stance, right? If I'm squatting down or going down the mountain, so especially around Thanksgiving or winter time, I always like doing this plyometric work. Gets my heart rate up, and I promise you, you tell yourself you don't have enough time to work out, do this 10-minute workout, non-stop, 10 minutes, yeah. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous, and everything burns, but you're gonna burn calories, and you're gonna actually offset that meal you're about to eat, because everybody from Halloween to Thanksgiving to New Year's gains about 7 to 14 pounds permanently. Don't be that person. Next move, we got burpees. Drop, push up, and jump. Now, if you're having a hard time, drop, come down slow, negative, knee push up, reset plank, walk the feet up, little jump squat. As you're getting a little bit better, you come down, still work the negative, push up. If you have to use your knees, push, reset plank, and then coming up. Also, I do like using a Bosu. It's a little bit more friendly on my back, so I'm coming down, and generally, I'm here. I'm just going through this flow, because you can see from here to here, I can come up into that perfect position, whereas if I'm just here, my back's rounded a little bit. It all still works. So we're just moving through. And I know doing plyo drop squats to burpees is kind of crazy, but this is your rest break. We have our reverse crunches for abs. Tucking the knees into the chest. Inhale on the way down, breathe in. Exhale, bring the knees up. See, Arlo's cool, because he knows when I'm dying, he comes over here and gives me emotional support. Isn't that right? But that's all right. Right, Arlo? Okay, 𝗘𝘀𝗀𝗏. So, exhale, inhale on the way down, breathe in. Exhale, and then squeeze. Great way to work the abs. If you're having a hard time, keep the knees bent, bring the knees into the chest, and then bring it right back down again. Okay, Arlo, we're doing a lot of making out right now. There we go. So inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. And again, if you're feeling your hip flexors a lot, you can try pointing. Arlo, you're really getting at it today. You try pointing your toes out a little bit, but just try and stay continuous. If you gotta take a little break, totally fine. Bring the knees in. Okay, 𝗘𝘀𝗏𝗏. And then last one. Okay, dude. We gotta do jumping jacks. All right, so we're here. Jump jack lateral raises. Use water bottles, and we're here. Boom. And just leading up with elbows. If you don't have water bottles, no biggie. I just like moving my hands up. If you're getting a little bit better, you can raise the hands all the way up. You can even do star jacks, but don't worry about that. So again, try and get some nice water bottles to start leading up with the elbows. Because if you want a little bit more definition on your arms, using these water bottles or light dumbbells can really get the delts. 20 more seconds. We're almost there. Getting close. 10 more seconds. I'm gonna cue up the music. We're gonna do everything just a little bit harder. So, let's get ready for round 2, baby. Here we go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. So enigmatic and charismatic. Gotta live static, gotta get at it. Never pragmatic, cause we live tragic. I can't live average, to be alive's magic. Turn it up in the back cause I'm grabbing everything I want, get in my way and I'm stabbing. I'll be moving crowds till I'm 6 feet napping. They need another fix, hooked on like an addict. I got my eyes on the prize and it's changing lives. I wanna live till I die, make a difference right. I wanna give those in need a reason to fight. I wanna live every day like it's my last night. I wanna change how we play the game. Rearrange all the pieces till they say my name. Push an agenda against doing what they say. I wanna stand up and start a revolution. I wanna start a revolution. start a revolution. I wanna start a revolution. I wanna start a revolution.
Woo! Awesome. 10 minutes, baby. We did it. So, hope you enjoyed the Thanksgiving workout. This isn't something I do all the time, but when I am short on time, I'll add workouts in like this. I didn't take any rest breaks. Now, I have to be honest with you, if you didn't notice the lighting, our camera died midway through. So we did have to split up this workout, shoot it at a different time. But regardless, doing this workout 10 minutes back to back will totally help get you in shape, because when you put a lot of effort and energy in a short and condensed time, that's how you can get a maximum calorie burn, right? Now, it doesn't always have to be like this, but as you get a little bit more advanced, then you're actually able to do these exercises. I think a lot of times if you're brand new to this, go ahead and pause the video. You can go ahead and pause it for 20, 30 seconds or so in between each move, because I know a lot of these exercises might not be easy. But if you could do them all back to back, go for it. It's a challenge. And you're about to eat a bunch of food. Well, at least here in America, I live in Swanee, Georgia, United States. So we do celebrate Thanksgiving, and it's a holiday that we like to, take time and say thanks for all the blessings that we have. So with that being said, I'm gonna do something a little different. Let's bow our heads. Let's get into prayer and just say, Lord, thank you for giving me the opportunity to bless others, have good health, and share that with others. Because I know our days are numbered and we're not promised tomorrow, and any day could be our last. So all I ask is that you continue to give us the energy so we can take care of ourselves, and then also we can take care of others. Amen. So I pray you all have a happy Thanksgiving if you do celebrate. If not, totally cool. It's just a day that I like to reflect in some little basic things that I always say is, God, I'm thankful for the air I have to breathe, clean water to drink, nice food to eat, and a warm place to sleep, or a cool place in the summer. So just that's it, because a lot of times, we always want to ask. We want to ask God for more things, or we want to ask others for physical things. But sometimes it's good to just actually reflect and just be thankful for what we already have. And a lot of times if you're having a bad day or feeling down, you're anxious, there's a lot going on in your life, you're feeling depressed, it's very easy to beat yourself up. But think about it. Are you in good health? Can you walk? Can you move? Are you doing this workout with me? Do you have water to drink, food to eat, a place to sleep, air to breathe? These are the basic necessities that we take for granted. And honestly, we can't live life without them. So if you have all those things I mentioned, just be thankful already, because you're doing better than most people, all right? So with all that being said, if you're brand new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. My name's Frank Wall. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach. And on this channel, I like to help others feel, move, and look better through mobility, training, and nutrition. And if you are brand new, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content, because I am starting to put out a lot more shorts. I do have my Friday videos that are sometimes longer, sometimes shorter, but I want to get as much content out there to help you in your exercise journey. And if you didn't already know, if you look at my shorts, this is my coaching program. All the exercises I put for my clients that I coach online and in person, they're free, all right? They're free. So a lot of other trainers are going to have you do one of their coaching programs. They're going to have to actually pay for another app that's, they are actually just renting and paying per month, and they have all the exercises on there. I'm trying to do something a little different. I'm trying to put all the exercises that I use with my clients online, and I'm giving away for free. But you'll have to do a little digging and typing if you want to find all the exercises, or if you want a concrete plan. If you need a little bit more help narrowing down that plan, you can click the link down below. You can apply for my coaching program. We can get on the phone, get on the call, do a video call. We could do video sessions where I'm actually training you virtually, or we could just go over your limitations, your struggles, the dreams, the things that you want to accomplish and that you haven't been able to do on your own. Because I've been doing this for over 20 years. and I'd love to give you some of my advice and knowledge to help you out in your journey if you're feeling stuck and alone. So don't feel like that. You can work with me if you like. And as always, I'd love to see you checking out some of my other content. And as always, share this video with others and friends and family members that can benefit from this information. And I can't wait to see you in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on a flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. Never change myself.